Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 S550 4MATIC. This one is a Magnite Black. Underneath the hood is a V8 twin turbo pushing out 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one does have front and rear LED daytime running lights. Also comes with the sports package, which is going to give you 19-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A sports body styling. And silk beige, espresso brown Napa leather, panorama sunroof, come around back, we've got our S550 4MATIC badging, opening up the tailgate, got a clean set of floor mats, power liftgate. Coming alongside, this one does come with the driver assistance package, which is going to give you a pre-safe brake, pre-safe plus, an active blind spot assist, active lane keeping assist. Also comes with the premium 1 package, which is going to give you a keyless entry, a burl walnut wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got a wood and leather steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, a surround view backup camera, dual climate controls, cup holders, hard keys for our media display, turn wheel for our infotainment center, sports and comfort suspension, eco mode, our volume button for our media display. This S550 has 48,056 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S550, check out feldmanimports.com.